Hey there, welcome to Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just wanted to introduce a quick, one-time offer here. Basically, if you go into my more expensive programming subscription, which is part of this program here, this video I'm referring to that is part of a live recorded session that I did about a year ago. And basically, it's a topic on a 4.5 hour workshop boot camp using interactive brokers, the API, as well as their platform called Trader Workstation. And here is basically what the cost of it is. It's fairly low risk, only 37 bucks, and it includes some things that you may find useful if you want to quickly learn about how to build an automated trading system for probably the most advanced brokerage out there for retail traders. Learning how to build with a free database called Redis, how to use probably one of the easiest languages out there called Python, how to integrate it with it, and various different programming languages to build out and leverage the power of TWS as well as this Redis database, which, as it says, free. It's open source. It's considered one of the world's fastest databases. And again, we've got other modules in here that include Java and Python as well. And if you want to get into more advanced C++, we have that as well. And that's a 4.5 hour video, all for the low risk price of 37 bucks.